like $1 million right now. Interest rates are sky high. The average purchase price is $300,000 in Jackson, Tennessee. Oh my gosh. I want to show you an average price house in Jackson, Tennessee in September 2023. Welcome to this historic home that's full of midtown charm, but everything in it is brand new. So what's not new? The floor. The floors have been refinished and they are beautiful. This kitchen is amazing. It's got stainless appliances, granite countertops, brand new kitchen cabinets, but all the original built-ins were left so that we can maintain the original character of the home. The seller worked really hard to renovate this home and make sure that they modernized it with updated electrical, updated plumbing, while also maintaining the original character of the house. Here we are in the master bedroom, and I love all the light coming through these brand new windows and this extra nook. One of my favorite parts of this house is the outdoor space with the custom-built fire pit.